Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you guys the light output from LED fog lights on F150, and I'm gonna do a swap. I'm gonna replace halogen LEDs, or I'm gonna replace halogen bulbs with LED bulbs. Let's see if if it's gonna be any different. So as you can see, this is a Ford. Well, right there it said on the screen. I'm sure you guys seen it. So now I'm going to turn the lights. You're probably not going to see much, but I'm going to turn the fog lights on. So as you can see, I'm not sure if you can see on the outside, barely. I'm going to go out, and this is the light output from the halogen LED, from the halogen fog lights bulbs. So there you go. There's your output from fog lights halogen on the F150 2013. I'm gonna put LED bulbs into the same housing, and we're gonna compare the light output and see which ones are better, which ones are providing more light output. I'm going to do some side swipe for you guys to see. So these are the LED bulbs that I'm going to be installing, LED fog light bulbs actually, installing my F150. I have, and I'm going to show you how to install. Expectation from this kit, it will be the same expectation as I had from headlight bulbs, which is the light output was awesome. There is instructions, there is a warranty according to the instructions in the back. Let's see if the camera can pick it up. So there is the warranty, 12 months, so 1 year, which is pretty nice. There is two bulbs. Quality is a solid quality. Everywhere that I can feel is hard aluminum. As far as I can tell, this is aluminum. I think this is too aluminum, but solid quality. You know, I can't say that this is poorly made. And by the way, plug and play. This is it, plug and play. So I'm gonna show outside. I'm gonna show you how to install with basic tools on F150. And we'll go from there. And this is just what in the back, 4000 lumens. So now I'm going to show you guys how to replace the fog lights. Just come to the tire, passenger side, driver side, doesn't matter. There's nothing there. Right behind the fog light itself, there is very easy to replace. Actually, I'm surprised, you know. You don't need any tools, basic. So basically the way it works, you have this tab, you pull and push it down. You pull on it, you can do it with one hand to disconnect the wire connector. And once you disconnect the wire connector, you just twist to the right side and remove the bulb. That easy and simple. To install JDM astar LED fog light or JDM astar LED bulb, fog light bulb, simple, same thing. You insert, and you twist. There you go. In terms of polarity, if you connect and it doesn't work, just swap the, just disconnect the connector and flip it around, and that should fix the problem. That's how I was able to fix mine. Disconnect it, flip it around, and it worked fine. As you can see, I'm doing everything with one hand. You can strap with a zip tie if you want to, or you can just let it hang like factory. It's all hanging, so it's like it comes down to personal preference. So now let's see how it works. Let's turn the lights on and go from there. So now we're going to compare. I'm going to turn the fog lights on and compare LED fog lights versus factory. As you can see, truck is not running in both cases, so this is even comparison. As I'm coming close to the front end of the truck, as you can see, the light output is significantly better than factory. You can see that wall right there better, and it shines much farther too. So now you get a clean, crisp, white light output, and again, without headlights. This is just an LED, just a fog lights. LED is the future, so good luck. Thank you.